It's like a big kid's playground that goes over alligators and crocodiles, and you're constantly safely attached the entire way through the course. Hi, I'm Bobby DeLong with Crocodile Crossing here at the St. Augustine Alligator Farm. Our ropes course and zipline is a must-do experience here in St. Augustine. We just added in 2 zip lines. It's now our longest zip line of the zoo. That's about 350 feet across, where guests can zip side by side each other at the same time. It's really awesome. Yeah. We have obstacles you're going over as well. So we have things like swinging logs.
There's a crocodile.
There's cable crossings, cargo nets, so it's a little bit more involved than just ziplining itself, which is a lot of fun. We have what we call a safety hook that stays connected to the course the entire way through. You cannot disconnect yourself at any point. Our course not only goes over the alligator farm itself, but you get to go over some holding areas that you don't get to see from inside the zoo as well. Sometimes they get involved with moving their hook and you gotta remind them, hey, there's a crocodile down there, and they're like, oh wow, look at the size of that guy, you know? And it's also neat that they get to see other animals as they go throughout the zoo. We have lemurs they zip by, they go over Galapagos tortoises and exotic birds. If you're nervous about heights, we have staff on the ground that will help coach you through the course as you go. Another must-do experience I would suggest in St. Augustine here is the Castillo de San Marcos. It's a fort right on the bayfront downtown St. Augustine, built by the Spanish. And don't miss out on the cannon firing. Thanks for stopping by at Crocodile Crossing here at the St. Augustine Alligator Farm. We hope to see you soon where you can come zip through the zoo.